Hi there. If you're running a business, you already know this. Customer service can make or break your brand. Every single day, customers choose who to support based on how they're treated. And the truth is, you can't afford to hope your employees get it right. That is exactly why we created the 7 pillars of service excellence. Instead of guessing whether your new hires have the right skills, you train them with a proven plug-and-play system. Your team can access it anywhere on a phone, a tablet, a computer, making it easy to learn, apply, and stay consistent. Ever watched an employee handle a situation and thought, I would have handled that differently. Now you don't have to. We provide real-life examples, scenarios, and clear guidance on how to engage customers, when to step in, how to handle situations professionally without overstepping. No more missed opportunities. No more lost customers due to poor customer service. Your team will learn how to be proactive, identify problems before they're voiced, and confidently engage every customer. For example, when a customer walks in and looks unsure, your team won't hesitate. They'll step up with confidence. Hi there, my name is Jennifer. How can I help? That's the difference. The 7 pillars of service excellence equips your team with skills and confidence to deliver consistency and professional service every single time. Visit our website or call us to schedule a call to purchase seats for your team members.